Today we are creating this beautiful painting. It's easy and relaxing to do. We will have a good time, release stress, and obtain many health benefits. And in the end, we will get this gorgeous piece of art and feel a great sense of accomplishment. For this project, we can use art paper or black canvas. Also, to keep our design symmetrical, we need to have some guidelines. If you want to see how to make them easy and quick, please watch this video. My inspiration is this majestic rainbow I enjoy after we remodeled the shower glass doors in our master bathroom. So we will need these 7 colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. If you have any additional variations of these colors, bring them out. We will use them too. In addition, we will need some black and white paint. We'll need some dotting tools, ranges from 15 to 1 mm in diameter. We will need some small containers with the lids and some small brushes. We start with the lavender frost using tool number 15. It's the largest dot in the center and it's the most complicated one to do. But we don't worry if it's not perfect and use some smaller tools to adjust it. Then we use Tanzanite, tool number 2.5. First we dot crisscross and then fill in between. Here you can see that I messed up. If you do, it's easy to fix. Using the brush, remove the mess as best you can. Then paint it over with black. Let it dry and it's ready to go. Sapphire, tool number 3, dots around first row. Sapphire, tool number 4, second row. I wanted to make my eyes blue a little darker, so I added some teal to it. Tool number 5, first row, the same color. Tool number 6, second row around. Emerald, tool number 8, 16 dots around. White pearl, tool number 4, 1 dot. Every time we feel as our painting looks flat, we add some more paint on top, using the same color, only the smaller size tools. Add some Tanzanite on top of the center dot. And right away, the dots stand out. White pearl, tool number 3, taper. Emerald, tool number 6. Yellow, tool number 12, 16 dots around. White pearl, tool number 5, 1 dot on top. White pearl, tool number 3, taper. Yellow, tool number 6, 1 dot. Yellow, tool number 4, 2 dots. Yellow, tool number 3, taper. Orange, tool number 10, 1 dot. White pearl, tool number 4, 1 dot. White pearl, tool number 3, taper. Orange, tool number 5, 1 dot. Orange, tool number 4, 2 dots. Orange, tool number 3, taper. Raspberry rose, tool number 6, 1 dot. Raspberry rose, tool number 4, dots around. Ice blue, tool number 3, dot over the white dots. Tanzanite, number 6, 1 dot. Tanzanite, number 5, 2 dots. Tanzanite, 4, 2 dots. Tanzanite, number 3, 2 dots. Tanzanite, number 3, taper. Sapphire, 10, 1 dot in the corner. Sapphire, tool number 5, 2 dots. Sapphire, tool number 3, taper. And now is my favorite moment to make our painting come alive. If you have any lighter and brighter variations of the rainbow colors, bring them out. We will use them. If you don't, no worries. We will have some mixture of the existing colors with white pearl. We will do a little touch-ups using the smaller tools. It brings up the colors and adds more texture, definition, and vibrancy. It was very relaxing and joyful creating this stunning piece of art, as well as it gave us a chance for self-expression and self-accomplishment. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous piece of art with me and are encouraged to create your own. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.